Session is boring, guys. Come on, because I'm not getting proper response. My voice is breaking now because of a network issue. Anyone tell?
No, no, Ravi, it is not breaking.
That's good. Oh, good, right? Session is boring now.
No, Ravi, not at all boring.
Okay,
We are
okay.
enjoying.
Good. Okay, guys. So let's move on, and we will see the next level discussion now. Okay. So okay, guys. So next one is okay. See this. Okay. Next query is next. What we will write in it now. Next one is what our requirement is what. So fee is there, right? Fee is there. Okay. Based on that, what we will do now? Based on that fees only, right? We will select the record only, right? We will select the record. Okay. Based on that fees only. Okay. Good. Now guys, I'm going to make a little bit of from here onward. Okay, we are moving forward like step to step, step to step. If you are focusing on this right, this explanation, then next level discussion you people will understand very easy. Okay, very easy. Okay, so like that I prepared the subject, guys. Okay, whatever my experiences is there, based on that my experiences, right, I made the subject. Okay, so please focus on that. Okay, focus on that. Okay, guys, so next what is that our query is what. Next our query is what, based on that fees, right? Fees is there, right? Based on that fees only we will select the data, right? Based on that fees only. Now we selected what is that based on that course, right? Record. Now let's select a based on that fees only. So what is that? So what is that? Find by, right? Find by. After then what is that variable name now, guys? Std fees na. Std, we will take std fee. We will take std fee. After then what is that? Argument. We will take what? Argument. Now what is the argument now? What is the data type, guys? Double, right? Double. And what? S fee. S fee. Now good. Now good. Take the year. What is that? List, right? List here. What we will take? Student, right? Student. Then what is the generated query now, guys? What is the generated query? Select star from std tab where s fee equal to what? Fee only. Let's take fee only. Yeah, question mark also you can take it, right? Question mark also. This is the generated query now. Okay, so let's write it now. Where we will go now? In the repository, right? Let's write it. Okay, what we will write it now? Find. Padma is there in the session. One. Yeah, hello Padma. Padma.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the things, whatever things I'm explaining, you are understanding or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, I'm understanding.
Okay, good. Okay, okay. So here, what is that? Find by, right? Find by. Okay, find by. What we will take now based on that. What is that? What we are going to? What we are planning now based on that fees only we are selecting, right? So what is the data variable name now, guys? STD fees now. Okay, good. So here what we will do now? We will take that one only, right? This one also recommended, guys. Okay, this one also we can write it, but what is that? Based on that coding standard, what we will take? Yes, right? Yes, we will make a capital letter now. Okay, good. So here let's see that. Okay, let's see that what is the data type? Double, right? Yes, fees is a double now. So here argument also we will take the double now. Okay, so yes, fee we are taking. Argument we are taking SV only. Return type what we will take now? List only, guys. Okay, list. What is that? Student. Good. So this is our method. What is that? Find by method. Okay, we are customizing the query, guys. See this, based on that our method. We are not writing SQL query using what query parameter query in the SQL. Whenever we are writing what is that data SQL, at the time still we are writing the SQL query or not. But here what we are doing, just we are writing the method based on our entity class, and what see that magic internally, what at the runtime our data JPA is generating the query now. The very beautiful concept or not, guys? Come on, it's a reducing our burden or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
It's
sir.
it's it's fun concept, Ravi.
Yeah, good, good, very good. Let's move on. Okay, let's move on, and we will see that next level discussion now, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm commenting this one. Okay, I'm commenting this one. I'm going to write another one. What is that? Based on that fee only, we are going to select now. What is that? Repo dot what? Find by. What is that? Find by. What is that fee? Based on that fee, right? This is the method. Okay, so what is that fee now, guys? What is that fee now? See this. Okay, so fee is just what I'm going to do now. 200 record, right? Java course. What is that? 2. Okay, based on that fee, we are going to select the data, right? So I'm going to select 200, right? 200 record. So how many record will come now, guys? Dot for each
2 records.
yes.
System of spelling missing.
Good. So now let's, how many record will come now, guys? Java, this one 107 record will come. Pujita, and as well as what? Padma will come, right? Advanced Java, because 200 fees is what? Two courses, two courses fees is what? 200 now. One course and a two course, right? This record will come now, guys. Okay, this record will come now. Okay, so let's run the application and we will see that now, guys. Yes, come on, guys. It's coming or not now? Coming, right? See this, Padma and
Yeah.
Yes,
Pujita.
2 records.
Padma and Pujita, two
Yes,
records
coming.
coming or not, guys? Come on.
2 records are coming.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Ravi. Yes.
good. Okay, so now, guys, let's see, based on that condition, let's select the data based on that condition, less than, greater than, we are using or not, guys? Come on, in the Oracle database, any database, not a Oracle, any database, less than, greater than. If record is greater than, this record will come. If less than, this record will come. Like this we are getting or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
Yes, yes, Ravi. we are getting.
okay, so let's perform those operations using what? Find by method now, guys. Okay, let's perform those operations using what? Find by method now. Okay, so good. So what is that? Our query is what? Find by. What is that? We will select what is that? Greater than or equal to. Okay, greater than or equal to. Okay, so good. So for that, first, before moving on that, we will see that what is that? See this. Okay, search this documentation of what is that data JPA documentation on the internet, guys. Based on that, I will select, I will perform the operation. Then you people also will get the clear picture about it, right? So what is that documentation? Spring Pivotal documentation is there, right? Search is this documentation, and what is that? Go in the data JPA repository, right? Go in the data JPA repository, and query methods are there, right? Query methods are there inside that. What? Query creation. Query creation is there. See this. Okay, how we can write the using what is that? Find by method, condition based, right? Condition based. Okay, so first, what is a less than or equal to? Let's perform based on this one. Okay, first we will select this one. Okay, less than or what is that? Less than or equal to, or let's what is that, greater than or equal to. Okay, let's first what is the greater than. Greater than equal to, right? This is the condition, guys. Okay, we have need to follow, otherwise if you do mistake in this spelling also, then your query will not work, guys. Okay, so let's write it. Let's write first query. Okay, so what is that query? What is that query? What the query will be now, guys? Okay, let's see that. Okay, so here see what is that, find what is that, find by, right? Find by. After then, based on that, what is that, where we will select the operation, where we will perform the operation now, guys. Come on. Okay, so no problem. Okay, based on that ID, we will perform, right? We will perform the ID based on that. What our query will be based on that ID only, right? Okay, so 1 minute. Based on that ID, we will select the record. Okay, so I want this table. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute, guys. This is the I will moving this one. Okay, I will give the session, in the session only clear picture about this one, guys. Okay, just one word every time. This is our slogan. Okay, we are not running any institution here. We are learning the subject. If the person is not doing what is that, business with education, that person will deliver good subject. Okay, so just utilize it, guys. I'm doing because of you people only this kind of work. Otherwise, I don't have any interest. Even think about that I'm there in my family now, and my family is loving me too much. You can't think about that how my family is loving me. Okay, so but still,
Yeah,
but
they feel proud also.
but still I'm not spending time with my family, I'm spending time with you people. Think about that how much I'm thinking about you people.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
It's great job.
Hmm.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, Ravi.
Thank you very much, Ravi. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so good, guys. Okay, no problem, guys. Just utilize these things. Okay, these things is you will not find anywhere. Okay, you will not find anywhere. If they whoever will deliver also this kind of things, right? They will take much time to deliver these things, and time is more important than anything else, guys. Okay, money also, by money also we can't buy our time now if the time will gone. Okay, so good, no problem. Is let's see that, guys. Okay, let's see that next level. Okay, so what is that we are going to perform? What is that first? What is that? See that. Okay, and that greater than, right? Greater than is there now. Greater than and equal to, greater than and what, equal to, greater than and equal to. We will perform the greater than and equal to. So good. So first, what we will do now? We are going to find by. We will perform based on that ID. We will perform the operation now, guys. Okay, based on that ID we will perform. So how we will write it now, guys? Find by. Good. Find by. What is that ID now? What is that std ID? L is okay. I will remove later now, guys. This L is not in the last. I think mistakenly it's added now. Okay, so here what we will take now? std ID, right? std ID is std ID. After then what is that next? What is that? Come here. Okay, come here. What is that now, guys? Greater than or equals to, right? Greater than or equals to. Copy this one. Greater than or equals to now. Okay, good. Come here and paste it here now. It will become, right, greater than and equals to. Okay, greater than and equals to. Okay, good. After then what, we will take the argument now, guys. Okay, what is the argument now? What is the argument now? Integer. It's written data type is what now, guys? Int na. Come on, guys, be active now.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Integer, yes.
Integer, right? Integer, right? Integer, what is that? Yes, ID. Just I'm taking ID. Okay, good. So this is the method will be if we are performing what is that, less greater than, guys. Okay, greater than. So what is the keyword? Keyword we are taking from what? Spring PyOtel document, guys. Okay, see this Spring PyOtel. Whatever operation you want to perform, those operations, for those operations, every what is that key is there, right? Key is there. Based on that key, we can able to perform those operations now, guys. Okay, good. So okay, now the return type is what, guys? List.
List of students.
List of
the
students. List of student now, guys. Okay. Okay. Good. So, okay, fine. Now, this is the method of what to performing what greater than or equals to. Okay. So, what is the query now, guys? Based on this method, what is the generated query now, guys? Okay. See this query also, right? Query also. If query is there in our mind, then we can understand what the result we will get, right? So, what is that generated? Select generated query now, guys. Select star. Select star from what? Select star from what? STD tab. STD tab. Okay, good. Where? Okay.
Student ID.
equal to
Greater than.
Whereas ID.
Yeah. Yes.
No, no.
Yes.
ID.
Where student ID greater
Yeah.
than
Student ID greater than equal to. Come on, guys. This is only right.
greater question.
Now question mark.
No, no. Question.
question.
Directly we can use greater than keyword, right? Greater than equal.
Sorry.
Directly we can use greater than keyword. Is it fine or?
Greater than or equal to y, we will select. This is the database symbol now, guys. You can use that symbol in the database.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
This is the query. Why you are forgetting? I'm writing the query based on that our database, and here I'm writing the method based on the our data JPA now, guys. Who's that fellow? Who's that? Ashok, na, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ashok.
Today only I joined this
It's okay.
call actually.
No issue, Ashok. Just your understanding or not, whatever things I'm explaining now.
Yeah, I know these things, but I am thinking like you are writing a JP query.
No. I'm not writing JP query. Even if we write,
Yeah, I know the JPA query. In JPA query, we can start from onwards, from table name, from model class name, like that we can write.
Data JPA video I already updated on YouTube channel last session. Okay, so don't compromise with that. I know that you only kept the message. Now I am a student from the Ashok IT, right?
No. I am
Someone kept the message in the like what is that group? I seen that I am a student from the Ashok IT is taking the slow session, and even like that is not giving the clear picture also, like that someone is using that word, guys. Okay, so okay, see, learn from everyone, guys. Okay, but how we can utilize it, that is your mindset. Okay, based on your mind, how you can analyze the subject and all those things. Even God also will come, and God will also teach you. You will not until unless if you not put your own effort, right? You can't do anything in your life, or anyone, not a particular person, guys. Everyone, for these things is applied in everyone. Okay, so no one is, everyone is trying to our give to others, right? Our own best only, guys. Okay, we can't, but the thing is how we are analyzing the subject, that is also matter. Okay, so no issue. All videos are there. Okay, I know that you are talking about the data JPA, but here we are learning what find by method. Okay, and here I'm writing what is that this query based on that database, guys. Okay, come on. Anyone having any doubt? Let me know that, guys.
No, Ravi. Go on.
We can talk it. Guys. Okay, because I know that every institution. Okay, every institution. Because I also, when I was started my career at the time, also I also learned from there only. Okay, I can't hide anything, because only one thing, guys. If I hide myself anything, okay, because people are following me, right? If I am going to wrong, how many people I made wrong? Think about that. So that is not my attitude, guys. Okay, so whatever things is there, I'm open book. Okay, open book. Some personal things is there, those things I can't open up with others, but whatever things make you people perfect in the life, means successful, those things I will not hide, guys. Okay, because if I hide, right, then somewhere I'm misguiding. This is not my attitude, totally not attitude. This is my, okay, so good. Okay, so guys, but it's my challenge. It whatever content I'm delivering, that is the You will not find by paying also. By paying also, you will not find this kind of subject and this kind of explanation, as well as what, even if you people is stucking at the time of practical, at the time of doing the practical, if I am free, that time also I am helping you. Think about that like family member. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
So,
Okay, good. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on and we will see that. Okay, we will see that. Okay, so this is the query now. Okay, this is the query. Based on this query, what we are writing now, guys, this is the method now. Okay, so this is the method now. Let's write this method and we will perform the operation and we will see the result also, guys. Okay, so good. So come to our what? Okay, this is the come in the repository now. Okay, repository. Okay, so what we will do now, guys, what we will do now, find by. First write find by. Okay, based on that, what we are going to do now, based on that, what we are selecting the record, based on that our ID only, right? So we will take the ID. Okay, make this one as a capital. Now capital, make and a capital. Okay, so here what we are going to do now, come here. Okay, come here. Okay, greater than or equal to, right? If greater than or equal to data is there, those record will come, right? Those record will come. Now good. So good. So okay, so here what we will do now, come in the student class. Okay, come in the student class. What is the return data type we are taking? Integer. That data type integer will become what? In argument now. Okay, here what we will take now, int, right? Integer. Good. Integer, what I'm taking, what? Yes, ID, right? SID. Good. Okay, so what is the return type now, guys? List of what? Student. Okay, good. This is the method now, guys. Okay, so come our what? Runner class. So now in the runner class, okay, no issue. Yeah, let's come in. Repo dot what? Find by. Please mute yourself. Who is that? Nice is coming. Okay, Ashok, Padma, please mute yourself. Ashok, yeah, good. Okay, find by, right? Find by what? Find by greater than and equals to, right? Just what is that? We will select what is that record. Based on that ID only we are going to select it now. Come in the database, guys. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm taking what? 101 and 104 now, right? 104 record. From here onward, we will select the R record, guys. Okay. So now good. So what we will do, they take now 104. I'm taking, right? 104 I'm taking now, right? So here what it will do now, for each condition system dot what? Out dot println, right? Println. Good. So now shall we run the application now, guys? Oh, sorry. Now shall we run the application and we can see our desired result now, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good.
Yes.
yes,
Okay.
Thanks.
Very nice. Let's move on. Okay. Now I'm running the application and we will see that. Okay, guys, see that from 101 onward, every record is came or not, guys. Come on, see that record is came or not, guys. Samita, Amran,
Yes.
Ayodele,
Yes, Ravi.
Samita. This record is there
Yes.
and the data
Yes.
from one Oracle HTML
yes, sir.
Java
Got it, the
project.
record. Yeah.
This record is came or not, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. It's
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
They
Ravi.
are all there. Okay.
Now
Yes.
clear the things.
Very
yes,
clear.
Yes,
Very
the
clear.
things is clear.
Very,
Yeah.
very clear.
Session is interesting or just like we are doing time pass now, guys?
No, Ravi,
interesting.
Ravi, if we
Interesting session.
Very, very
Interesting,
interesting.
Ravi.
Interesting.
Okay.
Interesting, Ravi.
Ravi, a
Okay.
small doubt.
Yes, yes, Sudhir.
If we remove that equal to, then the method will not work. Like in the method name, we
No,
have given
it-
greater than or equal to.
Yes, why not work? Okay, 1 minute. We will step to step. So they don't become too much eager, right? Okay, no problem. I know that what is your doubt. Okay, 1 minute. I will show that one also. Okay, your doubt is this one, right? One. See this, okay? Equal, right? Equal. So what is that if record is not there from there? Okay, equal. You are talking about this one, okay? Greater than, right?
Yes, yes, right.
Then greater than
Yeah.
what will happen now? Come here. Greater than, then 1 minute. Come in the listing out, right? Listing. Then you are then we will get the this record now. Just what is that equal to? We are if equal to record also we are getting after then also, but greater than from there onward we will get the record. So key is there now. See this.
Okay, okay, I understand.
Next explanation is that
Yeah, I understand. Okay.
that one only. Right?
Okay, okay, Ravi.
Okay, no
Okay,
problem.
thank you.
Let's run the application. Now run the application. We will get still we will get the record, guys. Okay. Now I'm saving that. Okay. Now let's run that. Okay. I'm removing the equal to now. I remove the equal to now. See this. See this from equal to means what we are getting after 101 101 105, right? See 105 record we are getting 106 107, but we are not getting 104. Why? Because of equal to. Got the point?
Right, right. Okay, Ravi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
How
Thank
many how many keyword we seen that now, guys? 1 and 2 we completed, right? In the table, right? In this table, right? So it means what is that support key inside the method names, right? I mean, what is that find by method? How many is we seen that greater than, and what is that greater than equals to we completed, right? Come on, guys. We completed two keywords or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, Ravi.
Okay. So good. Okay, good.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Guys, actually, you people want break. Still, it will take much time to complete today. I want to complete today data JPA in any cast. Okay. Are you ready now? Come on, people. Sorry, guys. Sorry for the network issue. Now everything is fine now.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. So,
Yes.
guys, in any cast, today I will complete data JP. Okay, tomorrow onward I will start Spring Boot MVC. Okay, so still more concept is there. You people want break? Come on.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yes.
Now till now.
Take a small break.
Okay, let's take a small break
Yes,
now. Okay, let's take a small
Yes,
break
sir.
now. And again, we will continue the session after. See, in India, 3:46 is happening now. Okay, 4:10, right? 4:10, we will connect. I will put the message in the group. Okay, let's connect it. Okay, guys. So let's stop the session here only, and we will connect after 20 minutes, right?
Okay.
After 20 minutes, and
Okay,
we will
Okay.
today, you know, blob insertion, date and time. This concept is still left, guys, and this find by. So you people, if you people think about this topic is important, okay, then you can join it. Otherwise, okay, this blob insertion means what is that? File insertion in the database. This is the important concept.
Too important, Ravi.
And the date and time. Date and time. What about date and
Please.
time?
Time.
Hello.
Date and time is too important, Ravi. I have a lot of questions also.
Also important.
Then don't miss. Okay, don't miss. Be in the session today. We will complete the data JPA today now. Okay, so think about that.
In date, all formats, all those things are very important.
Yes, Padma,
Times.
I know that. I know
Yeah.
that.
When I am need to deliver this kind of things, because of that I prepared. Because if I'm not making the curiosity in the people, right, then people will not be with us.
Yeah. Okay, Ravi, let's meet after a small break
Yes,
again.
yes. Let's meet after a small break. Guys, okay, let's stop.
Yeah, Ravi.
Now. We will connect.
Yeah, Ravi. Hello.